Hello everyone, welcome to English Eats for YouTube channel. Today's story is about a clever cat, who changed his master's life forever. A rich man died. His older sons took away all his riches, leaving only a cat named Puss for the youngest son. The boy wondered what he could do with it. Then the cat said, "Master, I can help you. But first, I need a pair of boots and a bag." The boy was surprised, but he did as he was told. Puss wore his boots and went into the woods. He caught a rabbit, put it in his bag, and gave it to the king. "Your Majesty, this is a gift from my master, the Marquis of Carabas." The king was impressed. The next day, as the boy and Puss sat by the river, Puss saw the king coming. "Master, I have a plan," he said. "Jump into the water, and pretend to drown." Puss ran to the king, asking for help. While the king's men saved the boy, Puss ran to a nearby castle. There, he tricked the owner, a monster, into turning into a mouse. In a moment, Puss gobbled him up. Then Puss told the servants to say the castle belonged to his master, the Marquis of Carabas. When the king arrived, he was amazed by the grand castle. He was so pleased that he married his daughter to the young man. And from that day on, they lived happily in the castle with clever Puss. If you enjoyed this story, like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos.